Using ternary numbers is just a way of tagging the cards without actually marking them, so we can trade them back and organize them in the order we want. To better understand this, we can make a round where we actually physically label the cards to track them. So let's do that. You will need a pencil and 30 memo cards or similar. Draw 3 underscores on the back of each of 27 memo cards. It doesn't matter if you can't really tell what is front and what is back. The side with the underscores will represent the back of the playing cards. If you prefer, you can use the real playing cards, but you will need to write on them. Deal the cards in 3 columns as in the trick. Now pick up the 3 piles making a single pile, but place one of the blank memo cards as a divider in between the piles. Place it horizontally so you can easily distinguish it from the rest. Remember that the piles need to be picked facing down, so with the underscores facing up. Write a 0 above the rightmost underscore on all the cards on the top pile. Write a 1 above the rightmost underscore on all the cards on the middle pile. Write a 2 above the rightmost underscore on all the cards on the bottom pile. Since there's 27 total, there should be 9 cards on each pile. Remove the divider cards and deal again as in the trick. Again, pick up the 3 piles, placing a divider between piles. Note that we don't care in which order you pick up the piles, only in which order you place them when putting them together. Write a 0 above the middle underscore on all the cards on the top pile. Write a 1 above the middle underscore on all the cards on the middle pile. Write a 2 above the middle underscore on all the cards on the bottom pile. Remove the divider cards and deal one last time as in the trick. Pick up the 3 piles, placing a divider between piles. This time write the corresponding digit in the leftmost underscore. A 0 on the top pile, a 1 on the middle pile, and a 2 on the bottom pile. Now this is the part of the trick where we count, so let's do that and write the resulting number on the card. In this system, each of the underscores represents a round, and the numbers represent where the special pile was placed. 0 for top, 1 for middle, and 2 for bottom. The first card has 0, 0, 0 written on it. Since 0 represents top, it means it came from the top pile on each round. The 14th card has 1, 1, 1, which means middle, middle, middle. But we already knew that placing the special pile always in the middle made the card end up in 14th position. Remember task 2? This set of cards we just created are like a map to the trick. It tells us in which position each card ends depending on which pile it was in on each round. For example, if you want the special card to be the 21st, then we can look at the card with number 21 and check what it says. It tells us to put the pile the participant indicates on the bottom on the first round, the top on the second round, and the bottom again on the last round. You could consult this map when you perform the trick, but that would make the trick look less magical. Instead, you can notice that the map is made of ternary numbers. If you can do the math in your head, you will look more magical. Compare the numbers on this deck with the list of ternary numbers from the previous task. What do you notice? Post your observations here.